Next question from Naushad Ahmad. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Is using credit card halal? If you're talking about the conventional credit card, where the bank gives you permission that you can utilize X amount of money depending upon the credit card, whether it is bronze level, silver level, gold level, depending upon the amount. Some give you few $1,000s, some give $10,000, some give $40,000, depending upon the level. And this money that you utilize, you have to give within 1 or 2 months. And if you give that, then there is no interest. If you give above that, then there is an exorbitant interest, which goes to up to maybe 3% a month, that is 36%. Anywhere from 2 to 3% a month, that is 24 to 36% a year, which is exorbitant. And I know there are some scholars who say that if you are using a credit card, as long as you see to it you pay within the stipulated time, within the 1 month or 2 month frame, and no interest, that's permitted. I disagree with it. It is totally haram. The moment you take a credit card from a conventional bank, you are signing a document saying that if you do not pay it in time, you will give riba. Signing a document that you will pay riba is also haram. Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. So even using a credit card with the intention that you will not take longer than the time permitted, I know majority of the Muslims living in Western countries, in America, in European countries, in UK, have a credit card from a conventional bank. Majority, unfortunately. I know there are scholars of the Western countries that give permission. It is 100% totally haram. All the major scholars, whether it be Sheikh Uthaymeen, whether it be Sheikh bin Baz, majority have said even having a credit card of conventional bank is haram because you are signing. And who can give guarantee that you will always pay on time? You are a human being. You can make a mistake. If once also you forget to pay on time, it is haram. Allah and His Rasul wage a war against you. Even if you pay on time regularly, only signing a document is haram. So using a credit card of a conventional bank, it's totally haram. I am aware there are some scholars that have given permission. I disagree with them. What you can do is you can have a credit card from Islamic bank. If it's Islamic bank, you can have a credit card. The other what you can do is have a debit card. Debit card means the money is already in your account, that you are not signing a document saying that you will pay interest. So debit card in a conventional bank is permitted. Credit card in a conventional bank is haram. However, credit card in the Islamic bank is permitted because it works on the Islamic principles, on the Sharia basis. There is no riba involved in this. So the best option is have a credit card in Islamic bank. The second option is have a debit card in a conventional bank which does not attract any interest. But credit card in a conventional bank is haram. It's a major sin. It is equivalent to doing zina with your mother. That's what the Prophet said. It is clearly mentioned in Mustadrak al-Hakim, hadith number 2259, that there are 73 levels of riba. The lowest level is doing zina with your mother. And it's clearly mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2, verse number 270 and 279, that if you give up not the demands of riba, take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. So I request all the Muslims in any part of the world, if you have a credit card from any of the conventional bank, please, today itself, if not today, tomorrow, please discontinue it, open an Islamic bank. If you don't have an Islamic bank, convert it into a debit card. Debit card is permissible where there is no riba involved. Hope that answers the question.